Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the case so you can see the buttons clearly, then power on and test the physical press. Once done, open Settings Sounds and Haptics to verify the slider reacts when you press buttons. This tells you whether it's a hardware issue versus software. Make sure Assistive Touch is enabled and use the on-screen volume control. If that works, you know the system is fine, which narrows troubleshooting to the button mechanism itself. You proceed carefully. Remove the pentalobe screws, use a suction cup and gentle prying to open the screen slightly, and then slide to access the interior. Remember to disconnect the battery first to avoid shorts. While explaining the how, note why. Electrostatic or shorting can damage circuitry. Once open, trace the volume button flex cable to its connector, reseat any loose ribbons, clean contacts with isopropyl, and check the metal bracket alignment so the mechanical press translates to the switch reliably. You reassemble in reverse. Reconnect the battery, seat the display, and tighten screws just until snug to avoid striping. Once assembled, test the volume buttons repeatedly while playing audio and confirm Assistive Touch still works. This verifies both hardware and software. If the buttons feel mushy or don't register, replace the volume flex assembly. It's a common failure. If problems persist after replacement, stop and consult a certified repair. Continuing risks further damage, and that's the key trouble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.